let's wrap this Tesla Cybertruck. Alright, since this truck looks like a stainless steel fridge from the factory, we're going to be changing it with a color change wrap today. We're going to start with the prepping process, which is the most important step to wrapping a car. This is going to wash off all that dirt and contaminants on the surface of the vehicle, leaving a clean surface for us to wrap on. We also use deionized water, which is the cleanest water you can use for washing a car. After that, we're going to blow dry the vehicle and take off all the trims, cameras, and mirrors to get it ready for wrap. We're going to be wrapping this Cybertruck today in 3M's gloss black wrap, and this is going to completely change the look of this vehicle by giving a shiny gloss look to the vehicle, unlike that dull stainless steel that gets fingerprints everywhere. And if this truck wasn't already an eye-catcher, it sure is now.